Hello guys, Marvin Williams here with a new video update. And this video I want to show you guys how to set up a custom redirect page for whatever it is that you're marketing. You can set up redirect pages, and the reason why you would want to set up a redirect page is very simple. If you marketing on Facebook and you're noticing that your links are getting blocked or they actually getting flagged a lot, or it's just completely blocked on Facebook. Well, you can't post those links on Facebook anymore because, like I said, it's completely blocked from Facebook. Maybe you're an affiliate program where there's just too many affiliates posting that domain link on Facebook, and then all of a sudden, Facebook sees it as being spam because it's being posted too many times. Well, there's a way around that, and you're gonna need to set up a custom redirect page, and it's very easy in how to set it up. It's only a one file page that you upload into your hosting directory. There's going to be a few things that you're going to need in order to do this. Okay, one of them, which is very important, you're going to need your own domain name to do this. If you already have your own domain with hosting, that's fine. You can create a subdirectory, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Once you edit the files, you can just once you edit the file, you can just upload it into that directory without having to buy another domain name, unless you want to go ahead and do that. But if you already have a domain with hosting, you can create subdirectories and upload as many redirect pages as you want. If you advertise in other things, you can do that. And there's a lot of other things that you can actually do with custom redirect pages. I'm not going to get into all of that right now, but I'll show you some examples as we go along, and how you can actually really use it to your advantage and really explode your income and get a whole lot of leads all at the same time, and using custom redirect pages. So anyway, let me just go ahead and show you how this is going to work, and go through step by step, showing you how to download it, how to edit it, and everything. So like I said before, you're going to need a few things, and I have everything right here for you. What you're going to need an unzip utility program. Most Windows machines come with them. Most machines would be laptop, your desktop. They already come with it. Okay. All you got to do is, once you download the zip file, you right click on it, and it's going to give you the option to unzip the file. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. For those people that do not have the unzip utility on their machine for whatever reason, you can download Winzip for free right from here. I already have a link set up, and I'll click on that and show it to you. This is what it's going to look like. You can come here, download the Winzip for free, or you can just download it and just use the evaluation copy. And then once the free version is expired, you're just going to delete it from your computer. Okay, so you're going to need that. You're also going to need an HTML editor, okay, because you're going to have to edit the file that you're going to be downloading and then re-uploading to your hosting account. And for this purpose, I'm going to show you guys how to use the one that I recommend here, which is called Composer, which is from Mozilla Firefox, okay, which is a Google-owned company. So you can download this free one from right here by going to Composer. Once you come over here, you can select the download if you have Windows, and I think they also have a Mac version as well that you can also download it from here. Okay, real simple, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this as well, and it's really simple, so don't overcomplicate it. Okay, so once you have those two, you're also going to need the FTP client to upload your file. If you already have an FTP client, you don't need to get another one. You can use the one that you have. The one that I currently use is FileZilla, and if you don't have it, you can get it from right here. I'm going to be showing you how to use the tools that I'm recommending to you right here. Okay, So you can get Mozilla Firefox right here, and this is what allows you to upload files to your hosting account. When you have a domain name with hosting, you can upload your files once you finish editing them, or you just need to upload files to your hosting account. For whatever reason, you can do that using a FTP client here, which makes it a whole lot easier for you. So rather than going through the cPanel of the hosting account, most hosting don't have cPanel, but if you do, you can do it through cPanel as well if you know how to do it. Okay, so and then the final thing is obviously you need a domain name with hosting. If you don't have one, I recommend going through HostBig. It's real cheap. It's $12 for the whole year. And that includes you can even get a domain with them as well, but this is the cheapest I've found so far. I've been using them for maybe going on 6-7 years now. I also have GoDaddy, but for what I use this one for is mostly for marketing. So I get a lot of my domains and then park them over here because the hosting is cheap. So if you want to see what it looks like, guys, you can just go once you click on that, it takes you over here. And it gives you the pricing plan right here. If you only want to host one website, then it's $1 per month. If you want to have more website, this is up to 5 websites, you can get $3 a month. Okay, and if you want to do unlimited 20 websites or more, it's right here. Okay, so it's really cheap. For those people that just getting started, I just highly recommend just starting out with the cheapest plan. I mean, you don't need to get 20-30 domains at once if you're just getting started. I have about 80 domains, and I mean, not everybody's going to be like me or some other professional marketers that that have a lot of domains. You can start out small, and then as your business grow, you can scale up and get more domains to suit whatever it is that you're doing. So I highly recommend just getting one domain, a generalized domain that you can actually create subdirectories on. Okay, and I'll show you how to one of them that I have, which is called reviewurl.com. Something like that. You can put anything on it. So just keep that in mind when you get in your domain for the purposes of what I'm going to be showing you right now. So anyway, let me get back over here and start showing you guys how this all works, how you can put this whole system together. And start actually being able to post on Facebook without having any problems. Okay, and the other thing as well, guys, if you've been posting a lot of links on Facebook and that was the reason why you got banned, your link got banned or your domain got banned from on Facebook, try not to overdo it. And I tell people this all the time: if you can do without posting links, don't post them. Straight up. I mean, I'm just being honest with you. Marketing is not all about posting hyperlinks, guys. I mean, if you think about it, if you post, your ads with a call to action, tell people. I mean, you could put it inside the ad, inbox me for more details or for more information. Contact me to get more details. Stuff like that. And then once they contact you, you give them the link. And not only that, if you're doing it that way, you'll be able to build a more targeted prospect list rather than just posting your link and then everybody going to it. If somebody click on it, don't like what you're posting, and then actually flag you, and then end up getting your link or your domain flagged or actually blocked from Facebook. So anyway, let's get started, guys. I don't want to make this a long drawn out video. I just want it to be quick, to the point, and then you guys can start using it and start using it to your benefit. So anyway, I'm gonna just go ahead right here where it says step 1 is you want to download the file that you're going to be using for the redirect. Okay, so you're going to either click on it or you can right click on it and save it wherever you want to save it. So if you right click on it and then go to save link as, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this to my desktop into a full file where I can find it. Okay, and I highly recommend you doing the same thing. And I'm going to name this I already have a folder called redirects, So I'm gonna just put well, I just put redirects to. So I can know which folder it is. And this is only because I'm showing you guys how to download it, and I'm going to show you how to unzip it and edit everything. And it shouldn't take you no more than about 3 or 4 minutes in doing all this, guys. Unless you trying to overcomplicate it, and it's not that hard. So once you say put it in the file that you're gonna where you want to put it, you click on save. And if you're using Google Chrome, it gives you the option down here to the bottom. If you're using Firefox, it's a little arrow up to the top right, and you can just click on that and go to the download, or you can just go directly to your desktop. So I'm gonna just click on this little arrow on the side here, and then go to show in folder. Okay, that's the quickest way you can do it. Or like I said before, you can just go to your desktop and do it. So I'm going to just right click on it. Okay, it's going to give you a pop-up like this. Now I have Winzip, and I have 7-zip utility on my computer. So this is the reason why you see it look like this right here. If you have an unzip utility, it might look a little bit different. But once you right click on it, it's going to give you these options that says extract file, extract here, extract to. Okay, you only want to click on extract here because it's already in a folder, and you don't want to extract it to someplace where you can't find it. So you just click extract here. Okay, it's going to give you another a vanilla folder that looks like this right here. You just open that, and there it is right here. Okay, that's the file that you're going to need. Now the next thing that you're going to need to do is open your Composer HTML editor, and if you download it, you're going to need to install it, and then once you have it installed, you can open it. And I'm going to go ahead and open my own right now. So I'm just going to go here and look for it. So it's going to be Composer. Okay, and I just click on Composer right here. It's going to open up. And like I said before, and this is very, very easy, guys. So don't overcomplicate it. Okay. So what you're gonna have to do next is see right here where it says open. You're gonna click on that. Okay. And this is the old one that I had open before. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and this is see right here, guys, on the side, these are the icons. You click on your desktop, okay, and then I'm going to look for where it says redirect to, and I'm going to just click on it, click on open, and then now you're going to go to where it says redirect custom pages. So I'm going to just open this, and see right here, this is the index file. So I'm going to just click on that, and then click on open. Now that's already inside the HTML editor. It's going to be blank. You're not going to see anything right here because it's a blank page. It's a auto redirect. So what I'm going to do now is come down to the source code right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to edit 4 things in here. Okay, very, very simple, guys. And if you look at the instructions here, it tells you what to edit. Okay, you're going to edit the title. You're going to edit the keywords depending on whatever business you advertising, for SEO purposes. Maybe you might get views from Google or whatever. You're going to edit your keywords inside the description, and then you're going to edit the description itself, and then you're going to edit the link where you want the page to refresh and redirect to when you send somebody to that page. Okay. So now I'm going to go back into my editor, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and edit those 4 things. So like I said before, you're going to edit your title, and you could name it whatever you want to name it, okay? But however you name it, that's how it's going to show up inside the title bar when somebody goes to the page. Or when you if you place the link on Facebook, it automatically is going to pull from this file right here. It's not going to pull from the website that's blocked, or from the website that you don't want being posted on Facebook or can't be posted on Facebook. So I'm going to just go ahead and write my title in here, okay? And I'm going to put in here, let's see here if I have a title already. Well, let me just go ahead and just put a title right here, okay? Okay, so this is the title, which is number 4. So I'm just go ahead and edit that, and this is the title right here, guys. It stops right in between this right here, these brackets. So right, it's in between those brackets. And the next thing that you're gonna do is come down to where it says number 7 right here. That says content. So right here, keywords, and then content. You're gonna come right down here, and you're gonna edit this piece right here. So the keywords are gonna be separated by commas. Okay. So like this is one word right here. Well, you're gonna make it whatever you want to put here for your keyword. So this is one keyword that says work from home, okay, comma, instant cash, comma, Facebook marketing, right here. And then if I want to put in other keywords in here, I can just put another comma, and I can put instant PayPal cash. And most of the time, guys, what I do is I match my keywords to my title as well. I'll pull some of the words out of the out of the title and put it into inside the tags to the bottom. So inside the keyword search down here to the bottom. Okay, and you can do long tail keywords. You can keep them short. However you want to do it is totally up to you. Okay. And you can't use certain characters. Just make sure, give me 1 second here, make sure that's correct. Okay, and like I said, you can put as many of them as you want in there. Just make sure after each set of keywords you put your comma to separate it. And then the next thing that you want to do is create a description. Okay, you notice when you post a link on Facebook, it would either pull up an image or it pulls up the content from the website. Well, that's what it's going to pull up from when you post this link. It's going to pull this content right here automatically. And I mean, you could either you could put it there if you want to. You can leave it blank and write your own content as you post your ads. It's totally up to you. But like I said before, you can put your description right here. Okay, I already have a description in here. You can edit it and you know, put, like I said before, put whatever you want to put in here. This is gonna be the one line right here. Okay. And you can edit this and put whatever you want to put right here in between these quotations on line 9 right here. Okay, so that's 3, and then you're gonna come down here to the bottom. Okay, and this is where you're gonna put your URL, guys. You can remove this URL from here. Excuse me. If you are in the Build My Income Daily program, because this is my link here. You can all you have to do is just edit the username right here and put your username for buildmyincomedaily.com. Okay, but if you're marketing something totally different, you can remove this whole link from here. Make sure that the HTTP is in here, and then you can remove the link and put whatever link you want in there. Now, here's another thing, guys, right here. Let's say you don't want the page to auto redirect instantly. You can put a delay on it if you want. And the delay would be right here. Right now it's set to 0, okay, which means it's instant. If you put 5 here, it would wait 5 seconds and then auto redirect to this link right here after 5 seconds. So you can play around with it, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Like I said, I don't want to make this too long, but I just want to give you an idea on how to do this and how it works. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click on save. Okay, so that is saved. And then I can just close this out. Okay, that's done. So I go back into that folder, okay, where I have it saved, and auto redirect to right here. So this is the folder right here. Now here's the thing, guys. When you uploading this, you want to create a directory, or if you're going to put it into the root of your domain for your hosting, that's fine. You can do that as well if you're not going to use that domain for anything else. But I don't recommend doing that unless that's the only thing that you're going to be using that for. But either way, you can create subdirectories and upload other things into it. And let me show you how to do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and log into one of my domains. And like I said, you're going to using FileZilla. You're going to what you're going to do is you're going to put in your login details right here. This is whatever the hosting company sent you, and it tells you right here how to pretty much how to log in. When you hover over it, it's FTP dot whatever your domain name is, or you can just put in the domain name right here without any www or anything in the front of it. It's just the domain .com or .net, whatever, right here. Okay, and the username and then the password to log in to your cPanel or whatever, however you log into your hosting account. You do that. They'll send that to you once you create the hosting. If you do it through the hostbig, they're gonna send you FTP login credentials for the cPanel, and you can just put that right in here and then log in. Because this website that I'm logging into right now is actually hosted with hostbig. Okay, so I'm gonna go down. Once you log in, you're gonna go to wherever you. Once you log in, guys, if the only thing that you have on that account is one domain, you're going to come down to where it says public underscore HTML. You click on that, and then you look for the domain, or if you already, like I said, if you only have one domain, then it's going to be into the main root directory, like how it is right here. Okay, but I have other domains on this account, so I'm going to go ahead and look for the one that I want to put it in, which is this one right here, marvinwilliams.biz. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a directory inside this folder. Okay, so I'm gonna just right click in here. Doesn't matter where you right click. Okay, and I'm gonna go to right here where it says create directory. Okay, and right here where it's highlighted it says new directory, I'm gonna name this directory. So I'm gonna just put, and let's just say for instance if I was doing capture pages and stuff like that. If this was a capture page that I wanted to do, I could put CP1, CP2, whatever it is that you're doing, guys. Just keep in mind, you could rename it to whatever you want to name it. If I was doing this for BMID, you know, I just put maybe I'd put BMID, create a directory called BMID. But like I said before, you could name them, name your directory, whatever you want to name it, according to your whatever businesses that you're doing. But keep also in mind that you don't want to name a directory to something that's maybe blocked on Facebook as well, because sometimes they do block out the words as well, or filter them out. So anyway, I'm gonna just go ahead and create a directory, and this one is gonna call it just says cash money. Okay, and like I said, I'm just using this for the purpose of doing this video to give you guys an example. So I'm just go ahead and click OK. And then now I'm going to go ahead and look for that directory that says cash money. Okay, so that would be under C, and here it is right here. Just click on that. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just direct this to my desktop. Okay, you just come right here where's my desktop. I open this, and you can just click on it. You can either drop it down, whatever you want, right here. And it expands, and then you're going to look for that folder on your desktop or wherever you have it saved. Okay, see right here where it says redirect to. I just click on that. It's going to give me my files to the bottom here. I just click on this bottom one, and this is the file right here. And all you got to do is just left click it, hold it, and then drag it over, let it go, and that's it. Okay, it's already installed, and right here I just come right here and copy this piece right here. So this is my domain name. You know, whatever your domain name is, you just copy that. Okay, and I'm gonna come over here and just paste that in here, and see right here how it says marvinwilliams.biz/cash money. Hit enter, and see right here it automatically redirects over to this page over here. So let me just go ahead and log into Facebook real quick. Okay, and do one post and then show you guys how that works. So just go over here and log into one of my accounts. just log into this one here. Okay, so now that I'm logged in here, I'm gonna go and look for some groups and see if I'm and I'm gonna go over here, guys, online affiliate marketing, and what I'm gonna do is grab that link from right here. Okay, so it's Marvin Williams / cash money. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and copy that, and if I go over here and if I paste that link in here, you see right here, it brings up, it doesn't bring up anything from the BMID website, and you can edit this right here if you want. Okay, so I'm gonna just come right here, okay, and I just put, okay, and if I hit enter and put whatever I want to put up here, okay, so very simple. So I'm gonna just go ahead, see right here, it's coming from Marvin Williams Biz, and if I click post, and that's it, guys. I mean, it's simple stuff. I mean, right here. So I'm posting. If somebody clicks on this link right here, it automatically takes them to my buildmyincomedaily.com affiliate page, and that's it. I mean, real simple stuff. Okay. So not only that you can use this to set up redirect pages like this, but here is the thing. You can use this, and I'll maybe do a video on this later, guys, and show you how to set up a complete marketing funnel system, showing you guys how to use the redirect in other ways. And let me give you a brief overview of how that works right here on a page that I currently own right now. So this is another funnel system here that I use, and it's set up with the redirect system as well. So if I log, if when I'm advertising this and somebody opts in, okay, what's going to happen is it's going to then take them to this page right here, and I'm getting pretty much triple opt-in. So this is a redirect page right here. Okay, so this is how I'm using the redirect page inside in conjunction with my autoresponder. It takes them for one opt-in page and then redirects them to another opt-in page, and you build in triple the list at the same time. But you can also use it in other ways where you can not only have it go into opt-in pages, you can create other funnels on the back end. You can do a whole lot of other things with it, creating your own funnel systems and redirecting people to your prospects to wherever you want to redirect them afterwards. But doing it this way here, I have it pretty much going from one opt-in page to another, and then I'll probably take it into an offer page where I'll have like 3 or 4 offers on a page for someone to either buy something or download something for free, and that's all to it, guys. Real simple stuff. Okay, so anyway, just wanted to show you how that all works. It's free. You can download all that stuff from the page right here. Okay, just follow the instructions, and once you do that, you'll be able to get set up within no time. I mean, 5-10 minutes. Going through it and setting it up, and you're good to go. So Marvin Williams here, signing out.